How's the machine work?
So basically, what you do is you put the original key right here.
Yeah.
And then you like put the copy.
Yep.
Right in this one.
Oh, sick.
And basically you like add them up. So if it stops right here, stop right there, and then you start this, and then it traces basically.
Oh, that's super sick.
Yeah. It's pretty simple.
How'd you learn how to do it?
One of my coworkers just showed me how to do it, and I had no idea how to do it the first time.
Yeah. Are you pretty good with your hands?
I wouldn't say I'm good, but I'm decent. It's not bad.
Dude, watching you make this is so cool.
Yeah. A lot of people stay here and watch. Like,
yeah.
This is the third one.
This just gets rid of the shards?
Yeah, basically, yeah, because once you cut it, like they like droop down right here.
Yeah.
And then you just not soften it, but basically take them all of it. The fourth one.
Oh, so you like Tony Stark, man.
That's a new one. I've never heard of that.
Iron Man, baby.
Iron Man, of course.
What was your arm tattoo say?
It's for my great-grandfather.
What does it say?
There are no impossibilities in life, just degrees of difficulty.
Man.
Yeah, and then when he died, it was just tough, and then whatever. I just got over it.
Yeah.
Sad, but
no, that's
gotta
good.
move on. Just
Yeah, you gotta move on.
Life goes on.
It's a nice homage to him.
Yeah,
it's a good quote too.
Yeah.
Is that his quote or is it someone else's quote?
No, it was just a random quote, but it felt well with me because like I went through like I said, I went through a tough time.
Yeah.
So he's always with me with that tattoo.
That's sweet. I like it.
Yeah, thank you.
Could you put the date too?
What was that?
It's good that you put the date.
Oh yeah. I know. I was like, it was last minute too. Like I was like getting my tattoo, and I was like, you know what, put the date on.
Yeah, good idea.
Might as well.
I always want to get a tattoo, but I was always afraid of the commitment. Out loud.
There are no impossibilities in life, just degrees of difficulty.
Good life philosophy, man.